Have you ever thought about selling life insurance? It's a question worth pondering, isn't it? Life insurance, in essence, is a contract between an individual and an insurance company. This contract ensures that upon the individual's untimely passing, their beneficiaries receive a predetermined sum of money, providing financial security for the future. Now, why sell life insurance? Well, the reasons are twofold. Firstly, the potential for high earnings is undeniably attractive. The income you can generate from selling life insurance is often directly proportional to the amount of effort you put into it. Secondly, and perhaps more importantly, selling life insurance gives you the satisfaction of knowing that you're helping people secure their futures. You're providing them with a safety net, an assurance that their loved ones will be financially stable even in their absence. Insurance selling might seem daunting initially, but worry not. We're here to break down the process into manageable steps. Before you jump into selling, it's crucial to deeply understand what life insurance is. Think of life insurance as a safety net. It's a financial protection plan that provides a monetary payout to loved ones or beneficiaries after the policyholder's death. This payout can help cover final expenses, outstanding debts, and even provide a financial cushion for the future. Now, let's delve into the three main types of life insurance: term life, whole life, and universal life. Term life insurance, as the name suggests, covers a specific term or period. It could be 10, 20, 30 years or any duration that the policyholder chooses. If the insured person passes away within this term, the beneficiaries receive the death benefit. However, if the policyholder outlives the term, no payout is made. This type of insurance is often the most affordable and is ideal for people who need coverage for a specific period. Whole life insurance, on the other hand, provides coverage for the entire lifetime of the policyholder. This type of insurance has a cash value component that grows over time, making it a potential investment opportunity. Whole life insurance is often more expensive than term life, but it guarantees a payout as long as the premiums are paid. This type of insurance is suitable for individuals who want to provide a guaranteed inheritance or cover final expenses. Lastly, there's universal life insurance. This type combines the benefits of term life and whole life insurance. It provides a death benefit and has a cash value component, but with more flexibility. Policyholders can adjust their premiums and death benefits to suit their changing needs. However, this flexibility comes with a higher cost and complexity. Each of these insurance types serves different needs and situations. The choice depends on the individual's financial goals, family situation, and age, among other factors. A deep understanding of these products will not only make you a knowledgeable agent, but it will also help you better serve your clients' needs. Now that you've got a grasp on life insurance, let's talk about the first practical step: getting licensed. Getting licensed is a process that involves a few steps. Firstly, you need to meet the prerequisites. These can vary from place to place, but generally you must be at least 18 years old and have a clean criminal record. Once you've ensured you meet these basic requirements, the next step is to complete a pre-licensing education course. This course will cover the ins and outs of the insurance industry, including policy types, contract laws, and ethical considerations. The aim is to prepare you for the licensing exam and your future career. Now let's talk about the licensing exam. It's a comprehensive test that measures your knowledge of life insurance policies, regulations, and best practices. It's not an easy feat, but with proper preparation, it's certainly achievable. Most folks find that the knowledge gained during the pre-licensing course is sufficient to pass the exam, but if you're the type who likes to be extra prepared, there are plenty of study guides and practice tests available. After passing the exam, you will need to apply for the license itself. This process typically involves submitting an application, passing a background check, and paying a licensing fee. The cost can vary, but typically it's a few £100s. It might seem like a hefty sum, but consider it an investment in your future. Finally, remember to keep your license current. Most jurisdictions require insurance agents to complete a certain number of continuing education hours every few years to maintain their license. This ensures that you stay up to date with the latest industry changes and continue to serve your clients effectively. Let's not forget why we're doing all this. Getting licensed isn't just about ticking a box or fulfilling a requirement. It's about gaining the knowledge and credibility you need to provide the best service to your clients. It's about being able to navigate the complexities of the insurance world with ease and confidence. Being licensed is a non-negotiable in this field. It establishes your credibility and allows you to legally sell insurance. So roll up your sleeves and let's get started on this exciting journey. With a license in hand, it's time to find potential clients. Now that you're equipped with the necessary credentials, your next step is to tap into your network and find potential clients. Remember, the life insurance industry thrives on relationships, and it's these connections that will be your lifeline in this business. One of the most effective strategies for finding clients is through networking. Attend industry events and seminars, mingle with fellow professionals and potential clients, and don't hesitate to make your services known. Becoming a familiar face in these circles can significantly increase your client base. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of referrals. Satisfied clients are often more than willing to recommend your services to their friends, family, and colleagues. So, provide excellent service and don't shy away from asking for referrals. It's not just about increasing your client base, but also about elevating your reputation in the industry. Now, let's talk about online marketing. In this digital age, having an online presence is no longer optional, but a necessity. Harness the power of social media to reach a wider audience. Create engaging content about life insurance that educates your audience and in turn builds trust. Consider investing in search engine optimization and targeted ads to increase your visibility. Remember, your online platform is an extension of your services, so make sure it reflects the professionalism and integrity you bring to your work. But here's the crux of it all. Finding clients isn't just about selling a policy. It's about building relationships and trust. It's about understanding their needs and providing a service that meets those needs. As a life insurance agent, you're not just selling a policy. You're providing peace of mind, a safety net, a promise of financial security. And that's a service that goes beyond mere transactions. So get out there, make connections, provide excellent service, and let your reputation do the talking. Remember, finding clients is not just about selling a policy, it's about providing a service that meets their needs. You've found your potential client. Now comes the hard part, making the sale. Let's start with the basics. The first step in selling life insurance is understanding your client's needs. This is not about pushing a product, it's about providing a solution. Ask open-ended questions to get to the heart of their concerns. Are they worried about their family's financial stability if something were to happen to them? Or perhaps they're interested in leaving a legacy for their children and grandchildren? Once you've unearthed their needs, you can tailor your presentation to address those particular points. Now let's move on to explaining policy benefits. This is where your knowledge of the product really shines. Break down the benefits in a clear, easy-to-understand manner. Remember, you're not just selling life insurance, you're selling peace of mind, financial security, and a lasting legacy. Make sure your client understands how the policy can help them achieve these goals. Illustrate with relatable examples and stories, but avoid industry jargon that might confuse them. But what if your client raises objections? Fear not, for objections are simply opportunities in disguise. They give you a chance to address your client's concerns head-on and provide further clarity. If a client is worried about the cost, show them how the benefits outweigh the costs in the long run. If they're unsure about the necessity of life insurance, explain how it's a safety net that protects their loved ones. Be patient, empathetic, and reassuring. Remember, selling life insurance isn't just about numbers, charts, and policies. It's about understanding people, their fears, their dreams, and their aspirations. It's about building trust and rapport. It's about showing them that you're not just a salesperson, but a partner in their journey towards financial security and peace of mind. Selling life insurance is as much about empathy and understanding as it is about knowledge of the product. So you've got the knowledge, the license, the clients, and the sales techniques. What comes next? Well, let's recap the journey we've traversed together. We started with understanding the ins and outs of life insurance. We then moved on to obtaining the right license, which is your ticket into this industry. After that, we navigated the art of finding potential clients and honing your sales techniques to transform prospects into policyholders. But remember, this is not the end of the road. Far from it. The field of insurance sales is ever evolving, and so should you. Continual learning and adapting to new strategies and industry trends is crucial. Always keep in mind that your ultimate goal is to help people secure their futures. It's a noble profession, one that requires time, effort, and a genuine desire to make a difference. Remember, success in life insurance sales doesn't come overnight. It takes time, effort, and a genuine desire to help people. But with these steps, you're well on your way.